Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDBEAT E3 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down and find passwords and accounts. Then let me start with removing the account. So let's tap on the account, remove it, remove account. Of course I'll show you it later on slower, of course, and I will explain everything. So let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and enter your screen lock if you've got one to confirm everything. So here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And right here we've got our Google account added. Of course you can also remove it whenever you want to, so just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, confirm it with OK, and you will have to also confirm it with your screen lock. And as you can see, the account will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.